If you're installing new spark plugs on your vehicle, it is recommended that you put some little dielectric compound inside the boots here. It just makes it easier to remove them the next time, or the next owner or whoever. It just makes it easier to remove the boots, and it keeps the connection a little bit better over time. And it's just a good thing to do, to put that stuff on there. If this will focus. Of course it won't focus. Let's back up. Anyway, here's how I knock it out quickly. Go ahead and put all the spark plug wires into your vise. I use my little soft jaws. These little guys here. Put them all in there. All on one side at the same time, and then you wipe a little bit of your stuff on a little brush and just go to wiping. Takes no time at all. You just wipe some inside there, and then you'll remove this side and flip it over and put all the other ones in there. You'll be done in no time, and it's nice and thorough and not a mess. So anyway, that's how I lubricate spark plug boots. Check out our other videos. We got more little tips and things that can help you on motorcycles and cars and lawnmowers and leaf blowers and chainsaws and whatever else that has a motor. We try to post videos, and maybe it'll help you out. So y'all have a good day.